Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I'm gonna make this fabulous wall floor length mirror, and all you need is few simple items from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. All right, so first over here guys, we're gonna start off with that mirror. You need a mirror like that from Walmart. It's about $10, and you might need some of this from the dollar store, or you can get them on Amazon or AliExpress. Some rhinestone mesh, because you want this to put at the side. Also, you're gonna need a different piece, or you can use the same thing as that. We're gonna put it on the front of the mirror, all right, like the frame. And this is from the Dollarama, and it's $2. You need some of this. You can get them at the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Some glue sticks, and I'm gonna use a piece of tape, and I have some paint. This one I think is from the Dollarama, and you get some from the Dollar Tree. All right, 2 napkin ring holders from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use about 9 sets of these, and there are 4 in a pack. All right, from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and at Christmas time you usually get some of this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use 1. This is optional, you don't have to put it, you can just use the whole 9 right around, but I'm gonna put this in the top. 2 pieces of foam board from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I'm gonna use a little bit of Mod Podge to paint my board and the mirror, and then you need some Gorilla Glue. This is the wood glue, and this is also for wood and other stuff, so I'm gonna use both of them, or you can just use this alone. You need some pieces of wood. Luckily, in my backyard, in the garbage dumpster, I pick up lots of these. It's like somebody moved and they put the bed frame out, so I have 4 pieces, but if you want you can get like 2 long pieces to match the length of the foam board. I need 58 inches, so basically it's gonna be about to here, and I'm gonna cut off this part. So I cut off that piece, and now I'm gonna fit them on, and I'm gonna line them up. I'm gonna put that at the top. Put a piece of tape in the middle, and we're gonna glue everything together now. I'm gonna take this one, which you can just use this alone guys, and this one is this one can glue wood, stone, metal, everything, and I'm gonna add some as well. And then you want to glue it as close to the edge just like that. You want to glue the small pieces as well, and I'm just going to use this alone right here. You don't need much. Oops, I'm going to glue it. You want to glue this one close to the edge as well. All right, and you want to let it dry enough for a few hours so you can flip it over. And now guys, I'm only going to use this one, and I'm going to put it right around this, and a little bit on here. I put a little bit under here, and I put a little bit on top, so when it dries it's gonna stay like that. I put a little bit in the middle, and I put it right around it. All right, so now we're just gonna glue this bad boy. Draw a line, right, so when you turn it over you can fix it right back in that position. Okay, so flip it over. We're gonna put it down. Pour some acrylic paint, not too much because you don't want to make the board over wet, so just a little. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Mod Podge. When I add the Mod Podge to this paint, it kind of hold it more to the board, because you know it's not really good paint, this one, you know. And then you want to paint the entire surface, so you want to paint here, and I'm gonna do 2 coats. and you want to paint this part as well. All right. I'm gonna do it twice. You want to leave it for a few hours well. All right. My hot glue gun, and I'm gonna use these ones, this type, and I'm gonna put it on top up there like that, and then I'm gonna use some at the side. All right guys, I'm gonna do the entire frame and then I'll come back. So I have these. You want to take off the tape from the bottom and the piece from the sides that holds the four of them together. And what I like to do, I like to start line them out first. When you line them out, you know where you have them, and then you want to go ahead and start to glue them, and you want to line them as close as possible, like so. This one, I put the butterfly on top, and what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna just push it right in the center, just like that. I'm gonna use my clear glue. You can use the hot glue gun if you want, but I think if I use this, it might last longer. So I'm gonna use this clear glue, and one by one, I'm gonna glue them down. And I'm gonna add just a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on the four corners. All right, my peeps, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna use these napkin ring holder, a hot glue gun, and I'm gonna add some glue. And I'm just gonna set it right here. Oops, right here. And I'm just gluing the rhinestone mesh on the sides. I'm going to do the entire thing except the bottom. Then I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm going to show you. Really super pretty. Oh my god. And I add the top like that, and I add a butterfly on the middle of that tray, and look at that, guys. Super cute. And look at the detail on the inside, guys. Oh yes. And that's it, guys. Oh, so glamorous. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Items from the Dollar Tree, yeah. And then I got this from the dollar store, Dollarama, and you know my mirror, they are from Walmart. And I add 2 of this napkin ring holder from the Dollar Tree as well, just to fill the space right there. And that's it. And now I have 2 of them. Bye guys.